Welcome to the Simple Language. Learn English with simple stories, easy conversations, and clear pronunciation. Slowly, naturally, confidently. Let's begin. Hello everyone, I am Mark. Today is a very special day, a challenging day, an exciting day. Brian is here again. Brian, say hello.
Hello, everyone. I am Brian. I am a little worried. Why am I always worried when Mark says special day?
Because special days are good for you, Brian, like vegetables.
I do not like vegetables.
Today, Brian, you have one challenge, not one conversation, not two conversations, 10 conversations, 10 real situations from daily life.
10. The number 10, like 10 fingers. I will need all 10 fingers to count my nervous feelings right now.
Learners, today we practice 10 real situations. The cafe, the pharmacy, the hotel, the bus, the supermarket, and more. Every situation is short, simple, and clear. You will practice with us.
If I survive.
You will survive, Brian. You survived the directions lesson.
That is true. I am still alive. Okay, 10 situations. Let us do this.
Here is the idea. In each situation, we learn 3 magic phrases, simple phrases, phrases you can use today, right now, in real life.
3 phrases per situation. That is 30 phrases total. Brian's brain has exactly 30 spaces. I checked.
Perfect. Ready for situation 1?
Ready, I think. Mostly.
Situation 1. Brian is at a cafe. He wants a coffee and a sandwich. Simple, beautiful, life is good.
I love cafes. Cafes are safe. Cafes have coffee.
The waiter comes. He says, "What can I get for you?"
Ah, the question. I know what I want, but the words, they are shy.
3 phrases. Repeat after me slowly. I would like a coffee, please. Can I also have a sandwich? How much is that?
It is in my brain, in the coffee section of my brain.
Tip 1. Always say please. Please is magic. Please makes everyone smile.
Please. One word, maximum power. I like please.
Brian, try the situation.
Hello, I would like a coffee, please. And can I also have a sandwich? A big one.
How much is that?
Oh, how much is that, please?
Perfect. You even added a second please.
Double please. Double magic. I am very polite today.
Situation 2. Brian has a headache. He goes to the pharmacy.
This is a real situation. I actually get headaches, usually during English lessons.
Learners, this vocabulary is very important. 3 phrases. I have a headache. Do you have something for it? How many tablets should I take? Thank you very much. Tip 2. At the pharmacy, explain your problem first, then ask for help. I have a. Do you have something for it? This works for headaches, colds, stomach aches, everything.
I have a brain full of English. Do you have something for it?
That is not a pharmacy problem, Brian.
It feels like one sometimes.
Situation 3. Brian is checking into a hotel. He is traveling. He looks very sophisticated.
I am wearing my traveling face. Very serious, very confident.
The receptionist asks, "Do you have a reservation?"
Yes, I do. The reservation is under my name. How do I say that?
3 phrases. I have a reservation under Brian. What time is breakfast? Could you help me with my bags, please?
Could you? I sound like a gentleman. I like this.
Tip 3. Could you is very polite. Use it in hotels, restaurants, shops. It is soft. It is friendly. It is perfect.
Hello, I have a reservation under Brian. And could you help me with my bags, please? I have 6 bags.
Brian, why 6 bags?
I was not sure about the weather in England.
Situation 4. Brian is on the bus. He is not sure if this bus goes to the city center.
The bus is moving. I have only seconds to ask. The pressure is enormous.
3 phrases. Does this bus go to the city center? Where should I get off? Could you tell me when we arrive? Tip 4. On the bus, speak quickly and clearly. Short question, smile. Does this bus go to? 4 words. That is enough.
4 words. The bus is moving. 4 words. Go.
Can I help you?
Does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does.
3 seconds. A new personal record.
Situation 5. Brian is at the supermarket. He cannot find the pasta.
The supermarket is a labyrinth, a delicious labyrinth.
3 phrases. Excuse me, where can I find the pasta? Is it on this floor or upstairs? Thank you, you were very helpful. Tip 5. Excuse me. Always start with this. It says, I respect your time. It works everywhere. Supermarket, street, airport.
Excuse me, where can I find the pasta? Upstairs? Thank you. You are very helpful. You are a pasta hero.
Pasta hero is not on the phrase list.
I felt inspired.
Situation 6. Brian meets a new colleague at work. First day, first impression.
First impressions are very important. I have been practicing my handshake for 3 years.
3 phrases. Nice to meet you. I'm Brian. I just started here. What do you do? I hope we can work together. I also make very good tea. I make very good tea is
Useful information, Mark. Useful information.
Situation 7. Brian needs to make a doctor's appointment. On the phone.
The phone. No eye contact, no hands, only words. This is the most terrifying situation of the 10.
3 phrases. Hello. I would like to make an appointment. My name is Brian. Is Thursday available? Thank you. See you then. Tip 7. On the phone, breathe first, then speak. The other person cannot see you. They only hear your words. Make your words clear.
Breathe first, then speak. Okay. Hello, I would like to make an appointment. My name is Brian. Is Thursday available? Perfect. Thank you. See you then. Mark, I did it. On the phone.
You did it.
With breathing. This is the best day of my life.
Situation 8. Brian sees his neighbor outside. He wants to be friendly.
My neighbor makes very good food. The smell comes through the wall. Very motivating.
3 phrases. Good morning. How are you today? The weather is nice today, isn't it? Have a great day. Tip 8. Small talk is big in English culture. Weather, the weekend, simple questions. This is how friendships start.
Small words, big friendship. Good morning. How are you today? Yes, the weather is very nice, isn't it? Have a great day. We are now friends. I can smell the food already.
Brian, the gate.
The chocolate is also important, Mark.
Situation 10. Brian has finished a beautiful dinner. Now he needs to pay.
10 situations. This is the last one. I can taste the finish line. It tastes like pasta.
3 phrases. Could we have the bill, please? Is service included? Thank you. Everything was delicious. Tip 10. Everything was delicious. This makes the waiter very happy. It is kind. It is human. Use it when the food was good. What if the food was not good? Then you say thank you and come back less.
Practical advice. Could we have the bill, please? Is service included? Thank you so much. Everything was delicious, truly. Life is good.
Life is good, Brian.
10 situations. I did all 10. Is this a dream?
Amazing work, everyone. Let us review. Repeat all the key phrases with us. The café. I would like a coffee, please. Can I also have a sandwich? How much is that? The pharmacy. I have a headache. Do you have something for it? How many tablets should I take? Thank you very much. The hotel. I have a reservation under your name. What time is breakfast? Could you help me with my bags, please? The bus. Does this bus go to the city center? Where should I get off? Could you tell me when we arrive? The supermarket. Excuse me, where can I find the item? Is it on this floor or upstairs? Thank you. You are very helpful. A new colleague. Nice to meet you. I am your name. I just started here. What do you do? I hope we can work together. A phone call. Hello. I would like to make an appointment. My name is your name. Is Thursday available? Thank you. See you then. Your neighbor. Good morning. How are you today? The weather is nice today, isn't it? Have a great day. The airport. Excuse me, where is gate 14? Is this the right terminal? How long do I have before boarding? The restaurant. Could we have the bill, please? Is service included? Thank you. Everything was delicious.
30 phrases in my brain. All of them. I am a different human.
Brian, how do you feel?
At the beginning, very scared. 10 situations? Impossible. But I did the café, the pharmacy, the phone call, even the airport. Each time, 3 phrases. 3 phrases was enough.
That is the lesson. You do not need a big speech. You need 3 phrases and a smile.
3 phrases, 1 smile, unlimited confidence. I am also a little tired.
Learners, save this video. Practice 1 situation every day. 10 days, 10 new skills. You are all doing amazing.
And if you freeze, breathe. The words always come back, I promise. I froze at a tourist and ran away like an Olympic athlete. Look at me now.
Keep smiling and speaking English. You are all great. Bye.
Bye, everyone. 10 situations? Come to Baku. I will help you with all 10 and recommend a good restaurant.
Thanks for watching The Simple Language. Keep learning, keep listening, and keep growing your English every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.